comment down below. Give me a huge thumbs up. Give me 2,000 likes to the Legal Garage.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to the Legal Garage. So today it's a nice day, sunny, and it's not so hot. So I think today I'm gonna do the project that for whatever reason, I've been putting off, and that's the one that's gonna probably give me more satisfaction to see it on the car. We're gonna start installing. Oh, these are heavy. My beautiful headlights with my custom grills, with my custom headlight protectors. This is one. And this is the other one. If you don't know already, I've had these protectors, these headlight girls, custom made by J&B Microfinish here on Pontiac, Illinois. I'll post a link on their descriptions if you guys wanna get something done by them. They do custom billet work, aluminum work, anything you want. So this is a modern take on the old headlight grill protector, whatever you want to call them. Anyways, I don't know where are the old ones, but we'll see. I'm gonna use Norlock washers, lock washers, stainless steel. These are not cheap, but I don't want those things to fall off. As you can see, these things lock to themselves. Focus. Anyway, you guys know what Norlock washers do. One side bite to the headlight, the other side bites to the car, and the washers, you see, they lock to themselves. So it takes a really strong force to take them apart. Which vibration or anything like that is not gonna take them apart. It's not gonna let my beautiful headlights fall off. So I'm gonna see what I need to do I need to do a custom installation because the bezels are aluminum. They are not the ones coming from the car. We'll see what I need to do to install them in there. I'm gonna pause the video and I'll bring you back when I figure something out. Here's the headlight bezel. So it's got 4 mounting studs. There's already 2 holes in there, so I guess I just gotta make another hole in there and another hole somewhere in there and pop them in. I had to make gasket. It's the same gasket for the bucket from behind, and I had to make a custom gasket for the front just to keep water out. And this is what I was trying to show you. This is the old school headlight guards. Nothing wrong with them, but they're cheap wire, chrome. I don't like chrome. So this is the new skull headlight guards. They're all billet aluminum. As you can see, stainless steel hardware. Should look pretty nice. So we're gonna start doing some holes and test fitting the first headlight.
These BMWs are the last of the modern classics, but have like these kind of games. They're so pretty. So cool. I've seen them. Your change, cup holder for your Sergio. Get the fuck out of here. Let me go where it is. Look at the cup holder here. In the middle of the BMW. First time in Denmark. And this is your first time car? Now, classic, son. You're gonna run through it. Damn, I go. Wow. Wow. I actually can't believe you felt that shit. Wow. Very good, very good. Dude, it sounds great. Yeah. I don't know. We would like more the CLS with it. Yeah, like those different cars. These are like something. The CLS is just so much darker than one. No, it's not. So we can take the CLS. I just want to comfort performance. I understand that. I completely understand that. I don't think that. I think comfort and performance are better now. Yeah. He's so violent. I think I really like it. Yeah, that's really
Hate fabric like those. You gotta put the gasket in there. Looks pretty good. Headlight LED. I got the gasket still not tight to the body. Got the headlight back with the gasket, studs. I just gotta put the bucket. I'm not gonna use the Nor lock right now because they still they still need to come out for paint, so there's no need to waste the Nor lock washers right now. So I'm just gonna use regular washers and just keep checking the bolts if I drive my car before it goes to paint. So I'm gonna put the bucket behind and then I'll be right back. Well, here they are. Billet bezel, headlight, LED, gasket. This is the bucket, stainless steel hardware, and the headlight connection right there. And those are for heat dissipation. Also the one on top to let the air in and let the air out for the LEDs. Yeah, those are my custom buckets and my custom bezels. So we're gonna put the grill, see how they look. So this is the ring for the protector. This is a collaboration between I and J&B Microfinish. So this one, these just see the set screws, sorry. You just push it as long as they go and tight the set screws, and they are not going anywhere. If you guys need anything billet, anything aluminum, any brackets, I highly recommend J&B Microfinish on Pontiac, Illinois. Jeff is a really nice guy. He is very patient with all the stuff I'm asking. So I'll put a link and on the description. If you guys need anything, just call him up, hit him up on Facebook or by email. Well, here are the first headlight done with the billet guard. I still gotta do the billet turn signals, but let's do the other side first. Well, there it is. Both headlights done. The Cobra is finally getting his face. Let's get a close-up. This is the Billet bezel. The Billet headlight guards from J&B Microfinish. If I say so myself, I think they look pretty nice, but then again I might be biased. I'm just gonna put some shark hide to protect them while we're here in the garage. I don't know when I'm gonna send the car for paint. So once again, I'm gonna put a link on the descriptions for J&B Microfinish if you guys need anything billet. Jeff does really nice job, really nice work on metal aluminum parts. So I'm gonna stop the video here. Next video I'm gonna work on the turn signals. I got something special for those two. Please like, comment, whether you like it or not. It helps me either way, doesn't matter. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff to help the channel grow. Thank you very much. This is, oh, I forgot, when it gets darker outside, I'm gonna put a little video at the end of this video on how the headlights work, the LED headlights. I just need to wire the pigtail. It's already wired, I just need to connect it. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. This is the Illegal Garage. Bye. Well, I couldn't wait for night. I was eager to test my headlights and my lights. So these are the parking lights, this switch. And you can see, stupid light. The turn signals, the driving lights are coming on. You gotta turn on that light, turn off that light. It's on a sensor, stupid sensor. So now I'm gonna put the turn signals with the lever in here. That's the left turn signal, right turn signal, back to driving light. So now I'm gonna put headlights with this switch right here. Those are the low beams. These are the high beams. As you can see, the grill is not covering much of the light. It's just letting the light through just fine. Really like it. Once again, please like, comment, subscribe. Comment if you like, comment if you don't like. Thank you guys. And underneath, I got the flash to pass feature of the ICs of the infinitybox smart wiring. I just got a button to flash to pass. Thank you guys. I'm gonna turn off lights, turn off the car, and turn off the battery disconnect.